Picture this. You have an online best friend who knows a lot of confidential information about you, and one day you wake up to find that all your money is gone and your so called best friend turned out to be a scammer. Hi, my name is Ananya, and today I'll be presenting my personal project. So, the product of my personal project is a research paper based on cybercrime and based on the topic cybercrime and its mental health implications on people. So, starting off with why did I choose to do this topic? Why did I choose to do this project? So, criminology, right? Criminology is something that has interested me since I was a child, and being born in Delhi has given me a lot of exposure to crime. It has always increased my curiosity and raised questions for me like, why did this crime happen? Why did the person decide to do the crime? And now talking about why did I particularly choose cybercrime? I chose cybercrime because cybercrime, I think it has a wide scope and is a topic which has not been touched upon a lot. And I was just 11 or 12 when I actually started exploring the topic of cybercrime. And only at that moment, I watched a movie called Megan is Missing. Megan is Missing. It is basically a horror based on cybercrime, and it was traumatizing enough that I slept with a knife beside me that night. That movie has made me realize the severity of cybercrime and how severe it can be. And hence, I chose to do my research paper on cybercrime and how it mentally impacts on people. So now talking about how the project impacted me. Creating the research paper has significantly impacted me. It has allowed me to develop as a knowledgeable person, and becoming a knowledgeable person allows me to tell people and make people aware around me. Recently, a few months ago, my grandfather almost was a victim of a scam situation, and it had caused a lot of chaos in my family because the person had texted a lot of people in my family asking for bank details. And now that I reflect back on that situation, after my research paper was completed, I can think of several ways to prevent that situation and stop it from happening. And this project has heavily deepened my understanding of the pressing issues of our digital age. And it has also given me an understanding of how cybercrime can mentally impact people and how it is a severe topic which needs to be taken upon to create awareness. Additionally, for creating my project, I used two ATL skills, specifically research skills and communication skills. Research skills helped me a lot throughout my process because it allowed me to collect various data, make connections between various data, and put it upon, and also can help me interpret and analyze the graphs that were made after conducting my primary research. Additionally, communication skills were also very necessary for my project because communication skills allowed me to depict my information correctly and in a way that it makes sense to the audience. Additionally, I have embraced the IB learner skills through this project. This project has helped me develop as a critical thinker heavily because while I was doing this project, I had to conduct several primary research and also research a lot and make connections between a lot of sources. So this project helped me create a lot of connections between various sources, and then it helped me analyze and interpret several graphs that I had made from my primary research. Additionally, it has also helped me develop into a better inquirer, as while I was making my research paper, it raised a lot of questions. For me, and which made me more knowledgeable. And overall, my project helped me a lot to grow as a normal and a more responsible global citizen, and helped me become become a better person for everyone around me, and make them aware about the threat of cybercrime. Thank you.